Property management has always been a demanding industry, requiring time, coordination, and constant attention to detail. But today, AI and automation are transforming the way properties are managed, making the process smoother, faster, and more efficient. So, how exactly is AI reshaping property management? Let's explore. One of the biggest challenges for property managers is handling repetitive administrative tasks. Lease tracking, rent collection, maintenance scheduling. These used to take up hours of manual work. But with AI-driven property management software, these tasks can now be automated. AI systems can send rent reminders, generate reports, and even flag lease renewals, reducing errors and saving valuable time. Tenant interactions have also become more seamless. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle common inquiries, whether it's checking lease details, submitting maintenance requests, or asking about available properties. These AI-driven tools provide instant responses, improving tenant satisfaction while freeing up property managers to focus on more complex issues. Security and energy management are also seeing massive improvements. Smart locks, automated surveillance cameras, and AI-powered access control systems enhance property safety, allowing for remote monitoring and better tenant security. Meanwhile, IoT-connected thermostats and lighting systems optimize energy use, reducing utility costs and creating more sustainable buildings. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it helps property managers make smarter decisions. With predictive analytics, AI can analyze market trends, forecast rental pricing, and assess tenant risk. This means managers can optimize rent rates, reduce vacancies, and attract better quality tenants, leading to higher profits and smoother operations. The future of property management is here. With AI automating repetitive tasks, improving security, and offering data-driven insights, property managers can work smarter, not harder. The result? More efficient operations, better tenant experiences, and higher returns on investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on how technology is transforming different industries.